China.
Where are you from?
From the Philippines.
Nice to meet you, both
Nice
sisters.
to meet you. What?
Yeah? Speak loud.
What? What did you say?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, okay, okay. I can see, I can see.
Are you both
Hi,
student?
yeah.
Speak loud.
Speak loud. What time is it there?
What?
Time
Time.
is it there?
Yes, okay. Uh, 4:57 p.m. 4:57 p.m.
Oh, okay, okay. It's 7 p.m. now here in the Philippines.
Oh, 7 p.m.
Yes.
That means
It's
that
not.
mean that means evening time.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. I can properly you. I can understand properly you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Thank you. Good luck for both.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. I'm electrical engineer.
Whoa, that's good.
Yes.
Good luck to
Good
you.
plan. Thank you so much. Are you Muslim? Both?
No,